You are going to love my Ginger Orange Salmon. Grate 3 garlic cloves, half an inch of ginger. That was way more than half an inch. I really like ginger. The zest of 1 orange, and the juice from 1 orange. Add to that 1 tablespoon of soy or tamari sauce and 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. I'm using black and white sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce for a little bit of a spice. Now we're going to reserve 1 to 2 tablespoons of the marinade. Go ahead and cut 2 to 3 6-ounce salmon fillets into 2-inch pieces. We're going to marinate the salmon in our mixture for about 20 minutes while we preheat an oven to 425. Slice your bok choy and arrange it on a sheet of parchment paper with foil underneath. We're going to place the salmon pieces on top of the bok choy. And fold a packet to steam the salmon to perfection. Place in your 425-degree oven for 15 minutes and look at this delicious salmon. Enjoy!